Good day everyone. Today, we will discuss about the fieldwork exercise number 4, entitled Differential Leveling. Introduction. Differential leveling is the process of measuring vertical distances from a known elevation point to determine elevation of unknown points. The most common methods to determine elevation are through the use of a compensator type, automatic engineering level, and level rods. And second, an electronic digital barcode leveling instrument with barcode rod. A thorough knowledge of leveling principles and proper application of methods and equipment will prevent costly delay and generate the needed result and accuracy. Preferred methods of obtaining elevations in order of preference accuracy are: first is differential leveling. It controls benchmarks, cross-sections, point elevations. Second is trigonometric leveling for digital terrain model, 3D model. Third is indirect leveling and location by measuring horizontal distances and vertical angles. Third is the three-dimensional coordinates. Both horizontal position and elevations are computed by processing the measurement. And lastly is the GPS survey, given the appropriate equipment, procedure, and data collections. Let's proceed to the objective. First objective is to acquire and develop the skills of determining the elevation of a point from the benchmark of known elevation by establishing a single setup. Second, to acquire and develop the skill of determining the elevation of a point from a benchmark of known elevation by establishing multiple setup using turning points. And the last one, to develop the skills in using leveling instruments. In this fieldwork exercise, we need the following instruments and accessories. First, auto level. Second is leveling rod. Third is markers. And lastly, plumb bob.
Now, let's discuss the procedure. Procedure A, single setup differential leveling. Step 1. The instructor assigns the location of 2 points marked as A and B, which are intervisible with the instrument setup placed between the points. Step 2. Set up the instrument level on the suitable points, preferable about midpoint of the two designated station A and B, by driving the tripod firmly on the ground. Adjust the height of the instrument to the convenient level of the instrument man through tripod legs lock. Step 3. Check the bubble in the vial of the level if it is in the center. If not, adjust the screws by rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. Step 4. Take the backside reading of point A where the leveling rod is being held vertical with the aid of a plumb bob. The reading must be done up to the accuracy of a millimeter or thousandth of meter. Step 5. Rotate the telescope after point B is in sight. Step 6. The rodman transfers the leveling rod at station B and must hold it with plumb bob alongside to maintain verticality of the rod. Step 7. Take the Foresight reading of the leveling rod and again, the reading must be done up to the accuracy of a millimeter or thousandth of meter. Step 8. After recording the observed values, compute for the difference of the readings to determine difference in elevation between benchmarks. Step 9. Repeat procedures 1 to 8 for second and third trial. Step 10. Tabulate the data in Table 4.1, Single Setup Differential Leveling.
Procedure B, Differential Leveling with Turning Points. Number 1. The instructor assigns the location of another 2 points marked as A and B. Number 2. Set up the instrument level on the suitable points, preferable about midpoint of the two designated station A and B, by driving the tripod firmly on the ground. Adjust the height of the instrument to the convenient level of instrument man through tripod legs locks. Number 3. Check the bubble in the vial of the level if it is in the center. If not, adjust the screws by rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. Number 4. Take the backside reading of point A where the leveling rod is being held vertical with the aid of a plumb bob. The reading must be done up to the accuracy of a millimeter or 1,000 of meter. Number 5. Rotate the telescope until the newly established point designated as turning point can be sighted. Ensure that the turning point should be almost equidistant from the instrument as the first benchmark from the instrument. Number 6. The rodman transfers the leveling rod at turning point and must hold it with plumb bob alongside to maintain verticality of the rod. Number 7. Take the Foresight reading of turning point where the leveling rod is being held vertical with the aid of a plumb bob. The reading must be done up to the accuracy of millimeter or 1,000 of meter. Number 8. Transfer the instrument to another location along the route to BM-2 where the first turning point is still visible in the telescope, and follow the same procedures as in 2 to 8 until you reach the second benchmark. And finally, number 9. Tabulate the data in table 4.2 known as the differential leveling with turning points.
And this concludes the discussion about our fieldwork number 4. Thank you for listening.